Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to preview video editing effects in Flutter for Android using the Media3 transformer library even before applying them. Now I have already made a ton of videos on this, like Media3 transformer with Flutter Android, but in this video I will tell you, like in my previous video I was having one button which will apply all these effects, but in this video I will tell you as soon as you pick a video, those video editing effects are applied. So currently I will show you the output. So for now I am passing this video URL for a video which is stored on server. Now as you can see in the output, this video, like this is not the original video. I have applied some effects to this, like filter. I have rotated the video, I have changed the aspect ratio, and if I want to save this video, like this updated video edited, like this, all these filter effects, I can click on convert. Also if you see the logcat, in the logcat also I'm printing how much conversion has happened. So as you can see, the video has already been converted, saved, and this second video has been saved to external storage. That's from that this video has been loaded. So this progress something might be look like 85, 87, and if you see, these are all Android logs. So I will just search for progress is okay. So here you can see the rest of the logs are just got deleted, don't worry about it. So here you can see it didn't reach till 100, but this progress state becomes 0. That's also how you can track. The reason it didn't reach 100 because for short videos sometimes it gets stuck on 85 and it immediately finishes, and also I have added one 500 milliseconds delay. Now this is for videos which are stored on external on network URL. Same for external storage as well. If I click on this open video picker without permission, the first thing it does is ask for permission. Now this permission is not for picking video but for saving the video to external storage. Honestly you don't require this permission, but if you want you can just keep it, because as you saw in the first output I didn't require the permission, but anyways just for safety measure I am giving it. If I go back, here you can see it is telling me to pick video, and if you see the first video, this is our newly stored video. So I'll select some other video, and here you can see same effect has been applied to this video as well, even before clicking on the convert button. So that's what this video is all about. Let's see how to do this. So here I have created our Flutter application, and I have just refactored our home page widget. So inside this this is my home page widget, and here you can see we are passing the video URL. So this is for network. Also created one method channel for picking video. So on click of this button we will pick video from the user's device, and once user picks a video, we will get the video URL for it. So we are just updating it inside the video URL variable. Then as you can see over here, I have defined one more custom widget called my video view, and it will be only displayed if video URL is not equal to empty. So let's see first how my video view was created. So if you see, I have created just my video view.dart file. This is a stateful widget, and here you can see we are passing the video URL. I have taken one key as well, so that in case our in case we pick a new video, our widget should be updated. So that's why we have this particular code. This does not work for iOS, so if you want you can use the placeholder or size box widget. So just concentrate on the Android view. Okay, also now you will have to open the Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. Inside build.gradle, firstly make sure you add all these dependencies. So we require all these dependencies. Don't use the latest version of fragment ktx. I have noticed that when I try to run the app I get some weird kind of error. I'm not really sure if it is a fragment ktx issue or a Flutter issue. I think it is a Flutter issue, because when I use the latest version of fragment ktx in native Android or in React Native as well, I don't face this issue. Okay, so that's why I've resorted to some older version of fragment ktx, but this will do for us. Next, inside Android manifest, make sure you add the required permission like internet, read external storage permission, write external storage permission as well, manage external storage permission. All those sorts of permission needs to be added. We really don't require all these permissions, but just for safety measure I have added it. Then go to main activity, and these are all the imports for it. So I'll just show you the imports. So these are all the imports. Here I am using Flutter fragment activity. This is our method channel result. Here I have created read write external storage permission. Here we are requesting for multiple permissions if you want, and we just launched the new video picker, and this is for start activity for result. So we just check whether we have this permission or not. If yes, then we just call launch new video picker. Then this is how we do things above Android R, and this is for below Android R. This is just a helper method to check whether we have the permission or not. And here we are using register for activity result to pick visual media. So if you see, we are picking only videos, and here we are overriding this method. So we are registering our my video view. So if you see, I have used the same identifier my video view as well as over here. So this is important. Then here I have created one method channel. Here we call pick video without permission. So here we just pick video and send the URL back to Flutter side. Then if I open this, here you will have to create this my video view factory. Again, this is boilerplate code. Whenever you want to integrate a native Android view inside your Flutter app, so you can just copy paste all this code. Here we are referencing a kotlin file called my video view. So I have created this kotlin file as well, and if I just scroll up, here you can see these are all the imports for it. So I'll just simply scroll down a little. Here it is marked as unstable because at the time of recording me recording, the Media3 APIs are still a bit unstable. And we are extending transformer.listener as well because we are overriding some methods from transformer, which I will show you shortly, and lifecycle owner for Kotlin coroutine. So this entire code is for Kotlin coroutines. Here I have created our handler and progress holder. So once you click on the convert, the actual progress which you see, for that this is helpful. Then this array list of effect, here we will pass all the effect which we want to apply on the video. I have created one linear layout, 2 exo player, 2 player views, 1 button, 1 progress bar, 1 file name. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here I have created one transformer and file path as well, and one video URL variable as well. So here we have created layout params for our linear layout. This is how we initialize our player view. So the first player view which you saw. Then this is for the button, and I have assigned one click listener to it as well. This is the output player view which you saw. This is for the progress bar. Here we get the video URL from Flutter side. Then in the effect, I have only applied this effect as well as this, but if you want, you can apply this as well. Comment out, uncomment out the effects which you want to apply. So here you can see I have commented out bunch of effects because I have already made videos, separate videos on each and every effect. So yeah, it's up to you. Then here we require the HSL adjustment.builder, and here if you want contrast or overlay some text on your video, again I have made videos for all of this. Okay, so that's why I have commented this out. Here we are initializing our input player. So the important part is, if you see, we are passing the video effects immediately to the input player, so we don't have to wait for the effects to be applied to the video. Then this is how we initialize our output player as well. Here we release our player. So in case the output player is playing some video, we release it. Same for input player. Here we return our linear layout. Here we release our player. Inside setup transformer, again if output player is playing some video, we just make it null, then call transform video. So here we display our progress bar, initialize transformer, pass the video URL. Here we pass the effect as well. Here we create our external file, then we start the transformer, and here we track our progress state. Here we create an external file which will help us to save file to external storage. Okay, so this actually stores file to external storage. So even I have copy pasted this from docs, so you can do the same thing. This only works above API 29 and above. If you want below API 29, you can copy my video on check my video on how to save file to downloads directly. This actually saves our video file to DCIM folder, which is the recommended practice. So you can just copy paste all this code. Okay, so given that we were extending transformer.listener, we have to override on completed. So here we initialize our output player, then we add this video to gallery API 29, and we display our progress bar, and in case of on error we hide both output player, progress bar, and display a toast message. So also inside settings.gradle I have updated the Kotlin version to 1.9.20, and make sure you click on sync now as well. So yeah, I think that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.